For 2 nights, lights hung in the sky over the planet. The phenomenon was observed by millions of people in different cities, where it was cloudless on those days. What is this? Another UFO invasion? Or was the planet from the ancient legends finally revealed? Hello, everyone. So what is this phenomenon and why did they shine brighter in some regions than in others? The astronomical community says that it is a rare cosmic phenomenon, the convergence of Venus and Jupiter. But it wasn't without its oddities. At certain points, it was possible to see the satellites of Jupiter in detail. And this is very unusual, because it is impossible to see them even with expensive telescopes in perfect weather. There are also images in which strange flashes appeared near these planets. Strange trajectories of movement of these objects are noted. Abrupt approaches, distances and disappearances for a few seconds. Moreover, black spots appeared in their background, presumably UFOs. So what is it? Nibiru or its harbingers? An astronomical event? Or a huge alien mothership? As always, there are more questions than answers. A curious recording was made from an airplane window. The footage appears to show objects in close orbit of the Earth. Scientists continue to insist that this is the kiss of the planets. But while everything is clear with Venus, Jupiter is a planet 11 times larger than Earth. If it came so close to us, we should have felt its effects. It wouldn't be without consequences. Well, while the researchers are exploring, I suggest remembering a time when the streets were empty, namely the pandemic. In those days there was a bright star shining in the sky. Astronomers said the same thing back then, Venus. However, from a hacked NASA server, records from the SOHO satellite, which monitored solar activity, leaked onto the web. On it, you could clearly see the object. And it wasn't Venus. It was a huge ring-shaped structure the size of a planet. But what is it doing in our solar system? And why next to the Sun? Actually, it's not the first UFO sighting near our Sun. Maybe they're fueling themselves from it. By the way, it has been dubbed the Rings of Ezekiel because it looks like the same object that the prophet saw. Do you think these events are related to the fact that in February there was an official confirmation of a UFO invasion around the world? Is it possible that this is just some sort of cloaking technology? And if people were able to fight back in those cases, what can we counteract with a ship the size of a planet?